Okay, I'm going to make a quick video on the Larson screen door, how to unlock the screen lock here on the storm door. This is a new door that we just installed, and so when we originally locked it, I couldn't get it unlocked. So as you can see here, it's kind of like a little swivel here. So this little thing here locks this little round part. And so I was thinking, hey, I'm trying to get it loose and I can't. So basically this little piece here goes clockwise and the hinge is right here. So you just basically go up this way. And then of course this is a swivel and that goes counterclockwise, the handle. And that will open up your door. Seems simple, but it's understandable how the first time use you forget how to unlock it. For whatever reason, if you can't get that, just get you a little wrench or plier and put it here and then gently go up. So as you can see there, it's stuck now. So what I have to do is get like a little pliers and just gently pull up like that for the first time using it, first few times, because it's probably just tight. For whatever reason, if this is caught and you cannot undo that, what you're going to have to do is unscrew the mount here, the wall mount, unscrew these, and then take that off, and then that'll let you push it, and then maybe you'll be able to work on it there. But that's just a little quick tip for the Larson storm doors. All right, thanks for watching.